Hello, Sekhmet's children. Welcome back to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Have you ever wanted to attract more wealth and abundance into your life? Well, today I have something truly magical to share with you. The 13 ingredient Money Magic Carpet Powder for Abundance. This special carpet powder is designed to help you manifest wealth and abundance in your life like never before. Let's talk about the common challenges people face when trying to manifest wealth. It can be difficult to attract abundance when you're feeling stuck or blocked, but fear not. This money magic carpet powder is here to help you overcome those obstacles and unlock the flow of prosperity into your life. Now, let's dive into the 13 powerful ingredients that make up this incredible powder. Each ingredient has been carefully selected for its unique properties to attract abundance. Bay leaves attracts prosperity and protection. Cinnamon boosts energy, focus, and attracts wealth. Spearmint attracts money, healing, and protection. Patchouli draws abundance, growth, and prosperity. Pine needles clears negativity and invites prosperity. Orange peel uplifts and attracts success and joy. Red oak leaves grounds energy and promotes long lasting prosperity. Cloves protects and ensures financial stability. Alfalfa attracts financial prosperity and good fortune. Roses are high vibrational energy for prosperity and luck. Lavender attracts peace and harmony, essential for a prosperous environment. Baking soda cleanses and purifies the space, and you need 1 cup of baking soda. Arrowroot powder adds grounding and stability, and you need a 1/2 cup of arrowroot. Let's say a magical chant while we mix our powerful 13 ingredient Money Magic Carpet Powder. By earth and spice, my wealth shall grow. Prosperity seeds I now sow. With each blend and every swirl, abundance flows, riches unfurl. Bay and mint, cinnamon's fire, draws in wealth my heart's desire. Patchouli strength, oranges cheer, lavender's calm, abundance near. Clove protects, pine purifies, oak and roses, blessings arise. Alfalfa's luck, pure and keen, arrowroot browns my path serene. So as it is with harm to none, my magical work is now begun. Let me share 2 amazing success stories on how these ingredients work together to create different powers of manifestation. One woman used the 13 ingredient Money Magic Carpet Powder on her floors for 2 consecutive weeks. She needed to find a massage table for a new business. In an incredible turn of events, her sister in law moved a block away from her and offered her a massage table she no longer needed. The second woman used the 13 ingredient Money Magic Carpet Powder for 4 weeks because she was trying to find a home she didn't have to pay for. On the 8th week, she found an abandoned home with great bones. She fixed it up, and now she and her boys are living very well in their new mortgage free home. Sprinkle this 13 ingredient Money Magic Carpet Powder and watch wealth manifest in your life like never before. This Money Magic Carpet Powder is a potent tool for attracting wealth and abundance into your life. By harnessing the power of these 13 ingredients, you can unlock the flow of prosperity and abundance like never before. I encourage you to try making the 13 ingredient Money Magic Carpet Powder for yourself. Share your experiences in the comments below And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY magical projects. Let's manifest wealth together.